Ahing athengbada Senapati District Phaoduna Assam Rifles na Makhoigi Gari Da Kuki Khutlai Paiba singa punna Chatliba Karigino haina Senapati District Students Association Sdsa na hanglakli. Senapati District Headquarters talaiba Sdsa ge office ta ngarang pangthokiba paugi mifam amada maheroi asige President Saloni Tony na phongdorakibada thasigi haukiba tang kunithoi amasung kulhumdoi ki lonaba ahingda Sdsa ge mihut singna Assam Rifles ke thawung asi thengnakibani. Thoglibe irang asida Senba Taudana, Santi Oinalizariba Senapati District Asige, Miamda, Aki Akang Pinanaba, Assam Rifles na Asigumba Tawong Asi, Chataribara, Assam Rifles ki Tawong Asig Manungda, Gari Aron Balaibano, Santi Pamzaba Senapati ki Miam, Amasung, Leminariba Atopa Furup Singi Marakta, Wakal Tanadaba Amadi, Nungsinadanaba Sinba Tawong na. Thawongla haina wahang tawrakle amaromda luraba tanfamasida Assam Rifles ki dizina Kuki Khutlai Paiba loop ki luchingba kauraga wari sanabagi maram karino haina hangladuna paramilitary force amatana Khutlai Paiba lalhau loop singa samnaduna thabak tawbigano madugi mahutta state asida santi thamnanaba hotnabada hena thabak tawbiyu haina Saloni Tonina makhata ke.
We wish to question the unwarranted escort of the militant by the Assam Rifle in the WR, in spite Senapati being a relatively peaceful district, given the unfortunate tremor in the state. Senapati District Students Association questioned the intention of the Assam Rifle, whether they want to bring mistrust and confusion among the peace-loving citizens of the district and other neighboring communities. Senapati District Students Association questioned the intention of DG Assam Rifle, calling top Kuki militants leader for talk in this challenging time in our district.